Hi there, my name's Cav and I'll be doing the business accounts training material, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice template using the accounts designer. Okay, to set up your document templates you need to go to the documents menu and select the documents icon, and this will take you to the document section. Now if you're on a Mac you'll only see a single line of tabs here, and to the left and to the right of these tabs will be an arrow. And if you click and hold that arrow, you'll see the remaining options, and from there you'll be able to select the invoices. Now in any of these tabs you'll find default templates which we ship with the system. You need to select one of these and create your own template. So I'm going to select this template without delivery. I'm not worried about delivery addresses. If you do need them, then select the standard one at the top, and if you need a landscape, select the one in the middle. So I've selected the third one, and now at the bottom here I'm going to hit the third button, which is called Create Template Document, and what that will do is fire up the accounts designer. Now here we have two sites. We have a view edit and a design print. Now I normally just give it a quick name at the top. I'm just going to give it any name here that I choose. I'm going to just say my template. And here we can now set columns like we do if we need additional columns, if we need currencies or unit prices. Anything you need, turn them on and then hit the blue reload button at the bottom. Okay, you can reorder like you do the reordering, like I've shown you before in many videos, and column visibility I've shown in videos. If you need more info on that, check out those videos. But that's what you do, set up a configuration at the top, and then at the bottom this is what's actually going to be on the document. So we're going to leave it how it is. If we do need to turn on additional things, just double click in this checkbox to turn them on. So if we go to the design print side, here we have the default template. And if I slide down this slider, you can see it's just a piece of document here, and it looks like a piece of paper. So how does this designer work? On the left hand side we have all of the standard drawing tools. On the right hand side we have properties of things that we have selected, and if nothing's selected you can see what's actually on the document by selecting them here and looking through the list. Okay, so I'm going to select this text, and now on the right you can see that it's turned into text properties. If I select the table, it's turned into table properties. And if I zoom in just a little bit, these three dots that you can see, they're dynamic fields, and they pull out dynamic information from the customer records, so leave them alone. Okay, so I'm going to very quickly just give this some style. So I'm going to get rid of this text, select it and hit the red cross here, and now I'm going to add my own text. So I'm just going to click on the document where I want the text to go. A small box appears and I write the word that I want. It's accounts, and you can see it's appeared here, and I'm going to make that a bit bigger because it's a bit small. Oops, numlock's not on. There we go. Change it to 16, and also I'm going to change the font. Let's say something like Batang. Okay, so that's it. We can now drag and drop if we like, and that's my little bit of text added to the document. Now I'm going to put a line here and deliberately not make it straight, and then now using the precision elements here we can precisely put things on a document. So if you do have pre-printed stationery or anything where you need to put precisely on a document, you can do so. So I've made the start and end point the same, and now that's a dead straight line. I'm now going to add a little bit of text underneath, just for some, let's say, company information, maybe email, and let's say telephone, and that's it. I'm going to drag that and drop that here as well. So I'm just creating a simple style here. If you have company logos, you can use the image tool here, select where you want the image to go, select your images and put them on. I'm not going to do that for this example, but they have to be sort of JPEG or PNG or GIF. Okay, so finally I'm just going to change some of these colors of the table to make it look a little bit different. So let's just select a dark grey. Oh, that was a vertical line. Make sure we select the correct things. We want the header fill color. Let's say dark grey. Let's do the total box color as well, which I know we have at the bottom. Let's turn that to a dark grey. And that's it. That's my template done. It's very simple, but I'm happy with that. Okay, so now if we go over to any of our customers and we invoice them, hitting the I button, and then we add the new line of the information. So I'm just going to very quickly fill this in. Okay, we've done the invoice. We go to design and print. There's the document, ready to send out to the customer. Job done. And it's got our new styles to it. Okay, so that shows you how you do the invoice template using the existing designer. And you need to set up your templates first. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Alright, so that's the video on how you can set up an invoice template.